Hello, I hope you are doing well. So here is the wedding planner dashboard, and thank you so much for purchasing it. And best of luck for your wedding planning. This will help you a lot. So this is the welcome page. In this, I have provided the setup tutorial, then the simplify score, and also that's the shop. I have different other templates as well for managing. So this is the welcome page, and this is the navigation pane. Here you will just click here and then click on it, and you will be at the setup page. Here you are at the setup page. Here you have to select which currency you are dealing with. For example, euros, dollars, whatever you want to add. If you want to add any other currency, you can add by that as well, like that. Okay, you go to the this one, then this, and then add another item. Here you will put dollars, and then okay, done like this. It is already present, so it may not be there. Yeah, like that. And then the bride name, groom name, and the big day. And these are some custom categories for the guest category, role labels, dream team, daily restrictions, meal data, whatever categories you have. Then this is the appointment page. Here is the appointment summary. Like 20% appointment are in the future from the today date, and for 80% are the past, and 3 are the open appointments. So for open appointments are these. If the appointment is done, then you have to just click here, click on this. See only one open. Now there is just one open. If I just unclick it, and then there are 2 open appointments. And then we have the gift and category. No, there is another thing as well. Here you will see in different sheets that we have these filters. How to use this filter? Click on this filter icon. Here only we have the number location. So attendees, bride, groom, the couple. So I just want to know what are the bride appointments. Okay, I know I want to remove the filters. I will just select all. Okay, so that's how you have. And then the gifts and gratitude. We have the summary graphs, thank you notes, and the how many gifts were returned, how many gifts were exchanged, how many were kept, and then the categories of main category of the gifts that has been given to you. Top category, thank you notes, and total cash, total gifts received. For example, here, if you have sent a thank you note, then you can just check the box. And here you can select the category of the gifts that you have received. And then if you want to add more categories, you can just go to select here, and then this is basically coming from the setup sheet from here. This is the gift category. These are the gift categories. Just write it down here if you want to increase the gift category options. And then we will go to the finances. Here you have the main KPIs, and then you have the total paid versus remaining, breakdown per category, progress towards the remaining, and then we have the filters here. And now we go to the guest sheet. So we have this summary, total head counts, RVP breakdown, decline, pending, attending, that how many guests are attending, how many are pending. Here you have the RSVP. Here you have the options here, attending, pending, decline. And these are some battery restrictions as well. And all these are present in the setup sheet, these drop downs, and the brands category as well. Then we will go to the seating plan. Here we have the different tables from the 24 tables here. And if you want to add more tables, then just click down, let's see, and control V, like this. And then contacts. Here you will put all the information here. And then these are the wedding party details. And then there is a wedding party as a separate thing, separate details for the wedding party, and then the vision board. Here you can just add your pictures, what is the vibe of your wedding, what are the colors of your wedding, and then the inspiration for the bride as well. For the makeup, for the color accessory, for the hair accessory, for the wedding suit. It will be helpful for the bridesmaids and the groommen as well. And here is your vendor sheet. These are the main summary. They are the total vendors selected. For example, in the planner, there are 2 vendors selected. Here it is coming from. See, there are 2 vendors selected. You can just select third. See, 3 are selected in the top. You see, it is updating automatically, and that this will be updated automatically. The total selected vendors are 16, and then this is the total final cost. And these are all the vendors. Here you can put different options for each vendor's type, and then if which one is selected, you can just check the box. And we have the logistics as well with all the details. You can put here, soundtrack, like which song you are gonna play for the ceremony playlist, reception playlist, and then the not playlist. Short list for the social media, for the videography, for the pictures, and then there will be social media shorts list for videography, photography. Then the itineraries, all this what you wanna add, you can add more. Then there is this breakdown sheet. Whatever idea came in your mind, you can write down here. Then all the packing tracker is that how many are packed, how many. First you can just write down all your essentials. Then you can just click it down that these are packed, these are not. Then the catering. Here you can just add the pictures here. And like how to add the pictures. Go to the insert. Go to the image. Over in insert. Browse. And then you can just open. Now here we have the pictures, and we can just like this right down here, like this. We will just delete it. So like this, there are your different options for advertising, advertiser 1, advertiser 2, advertiser 3, and like this sorters as well. Then we have the venue. These are the main categories for selecting your menu, like your venue, priority, on what priority basis this criteria is. There are different options for the menus and the pictures attached. And this will help you a lot in selecting your menu. And here the record, your rentals, then the guidance checklist. You can just check this. Here is the date. This is actually a continuous timeline from till your wedding date. And you can just check the status. Smart calendars, here you can just select the month, whatever month, for example, your wedding month is, and then this will be created automatically. And here you can write your tasks. And these are the some tasks again for the 12 months. Here you can just select the months from which months you want to start, and then like this wedding history and the wedding schedule, like the for wedding big day schedule is stationery. That's all. If you have any other question or do you have any confusion, please let me know. I'll be happy to help you. Thank you so much for putting on again. Thank you.